G'day viewers, Mickey Waters here. Bought some side steps for the FJ, and you can't really get side steps in Australia for the FJ, so I did some looking around online, and Pure FJ in America, they had some N-FAB side steps, and I checked the forums and that looks like what everybody's been fitting to the standard rock sliders. So my FJ's got the standard rock sliders on it, so the N-FAB ones will pretty well bolt straight on. So they've just arrived now from the US. Ordered them about probably 10 days ago, and they were 98 bucks a set. When I say a set, that's for like each set for one side of the vehicle, another set for the other side. So about 200 bucks US. Convert that to Aussie dollar, and then FedEx to get them out here. And yeah, it took about 10 days, but they've just rocked up. So I'll give you a quick vid on the N-FAB side steps and see what you think. That's the box that they came in, and pretty much that's the step there. So we'll whack that on and have a look at that. N-FAB. There you go viewers, all fitted up, rock solid, and she looks great, and it'll be a great little step to get us up onto the roof rack as well. So there you go, N-FAB side steps from FJ Cruiser USA. Excellent, enjoy. Thanks for watching viewers, hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please give us a thumbs up and a like, and also if you've got any comments, yeah, just stick the comments down below and I will endeavour to reply to any of your comments. Hopefully I can put a few more videos together, and we'll see you all sometime in the future. Enjoy life.